Let's move on to the next coin that we have in store for you guys. It's going to be one of our favorite coins that we loved around here. The original favorite one, AMP, created by Tyler Spalding. We love that guy. He's doing great things with AMP and also Ambil. Just a hint of what's next.
Right.
And right here you see it on the shirt. Soon. Soon. We're going to be in the bull market soon. Okay, guys?
There we go.
All right, you ready? You let me know when you're ready.
Oh yeah, ready.
All right, guys, we're doing a light technical analysis video on Amptoken, created by Tyler Spalding, and that's what Flexa runs on. All right, guys, so let me hand it over to Crypto Papi.
All right, so we have AMP paired with the US dollar, monthly time frame, data's coming in from Coinbase. So you could see here we just melted to the downside. We've went over this many times, all through 2022, all the way from January 2022. We've just been melting all the way to the downside, melting. Then we finally find a slight bottom. We make a little pump back up to the upside, but again, not a very big run up to the upside, just a little dead cat bounce before continuing down to the downside. We finally found our bottom in October of 2023. We moved up to the upside, breaking back over a penny, going over a penny and a half before getting rejected right back down, thinking it's the end of the world right here. We just retraced pretty much 100% of our gains. But wait, there's more. Billy Mays came back alive. Then we got rejected right back down. That's just a wick, which is crazy, and a tiny candle body. At our red box of resistance, we don't stay above it for too long before getting rejected right back down. It's hard for us to break above it. We don't have many candle body closures above it besides these two, really. Get rejected back down to the downside, but now we're finding support down at 0.00296, which is our blue horizontal ray. You can see it sits on these two candle bodies at the bottom from December and January. December 2022, January 2023, and it's just extended out. You could say it plays a lot of support. It's some pretty strong support, and that's where we just recently touched April of this year, 2025. Then we touched it briefly again, June 2025. Now we have a green candle coming off of it. So hopefully AMP could come back up here to the 0.00653 level, which is our green level, which again, it has a lot of action on it. Some candle bodies sitting on it, touching the tops of it, wicks going through it, candle bodies shooting through it, a little bit of support, candle bodies, support, candle bodies. So expect the 0.00653 level to be resistance when we do get there. So from current price, roughly current price, to the green horizontal line is about 75%, which, oh my goodness, just looking at that, doesn't look like that's a 75% movement, but it is.
Yes.
That would be a beautiful movement for AMP to put in, but that 75% movement, barely getting us above half a penny, really wouldn't be too exciting until we start approaching the penny mark and breaking the penny and holding above the penny level. From current price up to a penny, where I have marked in green as well, is about 191% movement to the upside. So, I mean, don't look for that movement to come in overnight or over a week or so. It's probably going to take a month to a couple months of grinding up to the upside. Some wicks to the upside like we have here, wicks to the upside. But we need more organic, more natural movement. So hopefully it stair steps its way up and it comes above this green level, hits our trend line, finds support at the red box of resistance before breaking above it and slowly grinding up to the upside. So everything there's with AMP when it comes to its fundamentals, everything that they're doing with Flexa, powering the payments. Now they're on the Anvil protocol. That's where they're utilizing the collateral at. That's where they want all of the AMP tokens moved to capitalize on the version 3 of the collateral pools and all of that. So good things for AMP, not necessarily when it comes to price action and looking at the charts. other than it being amazing buying opportunities, being valued so low. So yeah, if you're looking for something that could potentially make a huge movement in the coming months and or years, that has a lot of potential, that's already done a lot of the work, has a lot of the legwork in. They're providing collateral for digital payments via Flexa that has over 40,000 partners already here in the US and Canada. It doesn't get any better than AMP. The only thing that gets better than AMP is Anvil, in my opinion. But it's all of the same geniuses created Anvil that created AMP. So that's all I have to say about AMP today.
So that was AMP, you guys. To know the price doesn't show it, but they're doing big things at AMP with Flexa, with Tyler Spalding, Daniel Maccabee is the current CEO of Flexa, and he was one of the few crypto people that has been in Congress talking to senators and Congress people, talking about the Stablecoin Act, which that's what hopefully passes soon. And when that happens, stablecoins are going to become even more mainstream, and Flexa has been set up for that. So hopefully Daniel Maccabee has been able to push forward Flexa so it could be used not just for merchants, but also with any government entity and just mainstream payment transactions in general. So they're set up for great big things. So keep an eye out for Amble. Sorry. They could be intertwined, okay? But AMP, keep an eye for AMP.
No, keep an eye for Anvil.
Amble as well.